If you actually want a real, step-by-step way to make money online, not hype, not theory, this is where you should start. Hi, my name is David Langford. In this video, I want to do something most make money online videos don't do. This is part 1 of a 6-part series where I break down real ways to make money online, one method at a time, in a clear, honest, and practical way. In each video, we'll focus on one method only. We'll look at how it works, what's actually required, who it's for, and where most people get stuck. And at the end of this video, I'll also share which method I personally believe is the simplest and most stable way to make money online if you're starting today. If you want to follow this as a clear learning path, you'll find the full playlist linked below. Now here's the truth. Most people don't fail online because they're not capable. They fail because they're overwhelmed. One day it's dropshipping, the next day it's crypto, then AI, then something else. So they watch and never actually start. This series is designed to fix that. Less noise, more clarity, more action. Let's start with method number 1, freelancing. Freelancing is not about being an expert. It's not about having years of experience. And it's definitely not about doing everything for everyone. At its core, freelancing is very simple. You help one person or one business solve one specific problem, and they pay you for it. Once you understand that, freelancing becomes much less intimidating. The first step is choosing one simple skill. You are not choosing a career. You're choosing one useful skill that solves a real problem. That could be writing short social media posts, basic video editing, simple graphic design using tools like Canva, uploading products to websites, organizing data, or helping businesses use AI tools. A good rule of thumb is this. If someone would realistically pay $20 to $50 for that task, it's a valid skill. Your goal here is not to be impressive. Your goal is to be useful. The second step is narrowing that skill down to one clear problem. Most beginners make the mistake of saying, "I'm a freelancer and I do many things." That creates confusion. Instead, you want to say something like, "I help small businesses write Instagram captions," or "I help coaches edit short-form videos," or "I help online stores upload products faster." One skill, one problem, one clear outcome. Clarity builds trust. The third step is choosing one platform, not 5. Not all of them, just one. That could be Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Your job at this stage is not to make money immediately. Your job is to observe. Look at what clients are asking for. Look at how successful freelancers write their offers. Look at what beginner-level jobs actually look like. Treat this phase as learning, not pressure. The fourth step is creating a simple offer. You do not need a website. You do not need a logo. And you do not need a long, complicated bio. You need one service, one clear result, and one clear price. For example, I will write 5 Instagram captions for your business in 24 hours. That's it. Simple, clear, and actionable. The fifth step is getting your first client. Each day, apply to just one job. Personalize your message slightly. Focus on helping, not selling. A strong beginner message sounds like this. I saw your post, and I understand what you need. I can help you with this quickly. If you'd like, we can start with a small task. No pressure, no hype, no pretending to be something you're not. And finally, step 6. Deliver, learn, and improve. Your first goal is not big money. Your first goal is one completed job, one satisfied client, and one review. From there, you improve your skill, raise your prices slowly, and build confidence through action. Now let's be honest about freelancing. The advantages are clear. It's one of the fastest ways to start making money online. You don't need an audience. You don't need upfront costs. You learn real-world skills. and it builds confidence quickly. But there are downsides too. You're trading time for money. Income can be inconsistent. You constantly need to find new clients, and it's difficult to scale long-term. That's why freelancing is often a great place to start, but not always the end goal. If your long-term goal is more stability, less dependence on hours, and a system that can grow over time, then there's another model you should understand. And that's what I want to help you with next. I've put together a free 4-day mini course that shows how affiliate marketing actually works, the mistakes most beginners make, and how to build a simple system instead of guessing. This is the training I wish I had when I was starting. You can access it using the link in the description below. In the next part of this series, we'll break down another popular way to make money online and see who it really works for. You don't need to do everything. You just need to take the next right step. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next video.